Zifikile imoto zase-China and ama-South Africans are gonna lose imisebenzi because these guys cannot keep up. The future is here. The future is now. The truth shall set you free. Asiqale. South African companies are now cutting costs to make imoto zabo more affordable for the South African markets because imoto zase-China are coming. Only 2 more companies are left, and once iminyango yavuleka for them, it's over. When we talk about imoto zase-China, we have to start with the Omoda. I-Omoda, yo. Inani Omoda, mina ngithanda iPolo and understand. Twin digital screens, wireless phone charging, 360 degrees camera, ubona yonke indawo outside the car whilst wena ungaphakathi. Voice assistant, adaptive cruise control, lane centering, blind spot monitoring, automatic parking assistant, ipaka yona, ambience, interior lighting, yezwa, phenome banibani, roof, multi airbag, and understand. When umuntu omnyama thinks of a Chinese car, they think of i-Omoda, but this is only the beginning. And understand. Hlakanipha-ke mntu omnyama and understand ukuthi South African car manufacturers asemuva. They are behind, decades behind when it comes to manufacturing imoto, especially if they want to compete with the Chinese markets. And then we have Build Your Dream. BYD. Inani BYD, mina ngithanda Toyota and understand. Listen to me, they have e-blade battery, they have a 360 camera, a large rotating touchscreen, they have Apple Play and Android Auto Play, they have e-vehicle to load, they have adaptive cruise control. Adaptive cruise control, it means freeway, you can just let go. Izoshayela yona and ingeke ijombi lane. Understand ukuthi they have automatic emergency brake, that means awazi ukuwela red lights. Once yabona red lights, once yasensa izoma yona. And once it sees ukuthi umuntu ongaphambi kwakho ngathi ufuna ukubreaka and wena ufuna ukubreaka, izoyibreaka yona. And they also have a fast DC charger, because remember, as much as ufaka upetrol, uyakwazi ukuyicharger futhi. BYD, Build Your Dream. Niyadlala nini? Niyadlala. Hlakanipha-ke mntu omnyama and understand ukuthi i-BYD ne-Omoda is just the beginning. Now sesiya kuyimoto serious. Imoto they have not been allowed to sell eSouth Africa because ukufika kwawo la would destroy the market. Ukufika kwawo la would make sure ukuthi abantu balahlekelwe imisebenzi. Ukufika kwawo la means the future is here. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, Xiaomi, they started off making phones, now they make cars. Hlakanipha-ke mntu omnyama and understand ukuthi they don't sell their cars in South Africa. They are not allowed to. Why? Because they have Hyper OS integration, seamless connection with each Xiaomi phone. They have AI voice assistant, emotweni. They have a large central display. They have a digital dashboard. They have a high performance electrical auto drive. They have advanced driver assistant. They have a remote control. Uma ukwazi uyicontrola ngefoni le moto Nkosi yami mongcwele. They have a smart home integration. Yo, le moto ukwazi uyicontrola ngefoni. Lapha iyayishayelela, iyayipaka. Xiaomi. Xiaomi. And then we have imoto yaka Huawei mongcwele. We have imoto yaka Huawei smart. Yo, we have imoto yaka Huawei. Yo. Kade ngiyibuka ku-YouTube. Yo, mntaka Huawei. Adaptive automatic driving assistant, iyayishayelela yona. Adaptive automatic driving assistant. Facial recognition in order ukuthi dum iscan ubuso bakho mongcwele. It has the AI parking, it has the voice assistance, a multi-high resolution screen, a premium sound, a LIDR sensor, I don't even know what that is, a high-speed charging, a smartphone integration, and understand ukuthi nayo, it is not allowed to sell in South Africa. They don't want it to come here because ufika kwayo la, it's over. In the end, all of these cars are struggling right now in South Africa. They are being forced to cut prices abo and make imoto zabo cheaper. Otherwise, they move out of the lane and gain China.